What makes a motorcycle truly legendary? Is it speed, style, or the way it changed history? Today, we're counting down the top 10 most iconic motorcycles of all time. Number 10, Indian Chief. One of America's oldest motorcycle legends. Timeless styling, massive V-twin power, and a symbol of freedom for over a century. Number 9, Triumph Bonneville. The British classic that defined cool. From movie stars to cafe racers, the Bonneville became an icon that never goes out of style. Number 8, Suzuki Hayabusa, the king of speed. When it debuted, it shocked the world by pushing production motorcycles beyond 300 kilometers per hour. Number 7, Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade, a superbike that perfectly balanced power, precision, and everyday rideability, inspiring generations of sport riders. Number 6, BMW R1300 GS, the ultimate adventure motorcycle. Built to conquer highways, deserts, mountains, and continents with unmatched versatility. Number 5, Kawasaki Ninja H2, a supercharged engineering masterpiece. Insane acceleration, futuristic technology, and one of the most breathtaking motorcycles ever built. Number 4, Yamaha YZF-R1. Born from MotoGP technology, the R1 changed the superbike world. With razor-sharp handling and an unforgettable cross-plane engine's soundtrack. Number 3, Ducati 916. Many call it the most beautiful motorcycle ever created. Italian design met championship-winning performance, forever changing superbike history. Number 2, Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. A heavyweight legend made famous worldwide through Hollywood. Its muscular design became the face of the modern cruiser. And number 1, Honda Gold Wing, the undisputed king of touring. Luxurious comfort, incredible reliability, cutting-edge technology, and millions of unforgettable road trips have made the Gold Wing one of the greatest motorcycles ever built. So, which motorcycle deserves the number 1 spot in your opinion? Did your favorite make the list?